So, like I said, we are doing the chain cast on. For the chain cast on, we want your yarn. Of course, if you're using a yarn guide, put your yarn guide on first. Don't want to miss that step. Yarn guide first. Okay, so we want to make sure this is tightening up the right direction. And for me, I will be going in this direction. That's how I work. So you've got your slip knot. Loop it around your peg. That will be your first peg. And we still got this loop right here. Take this loop, put it behind peg number 2. You're always putting it behind, and then you tighten it. Put it behind peg number 3. Okay, so we have done our chain cast on. We're almost to the other end, which when we get to it, you'll be right by your beginning. Now going on the inside here, it's a little awkward at first, but you will get used to it, and the chain cast on is really the worst part for that. And sometimes when you're going on the inside, alright honey, when you're going on the inside, I hold my finger over the top of the peg so the loops will stay on. And this project, you don't want to do anything super tight, so you can pull that, and you can see I'm pulling where it's not super tight on there, and you don't really want it to be. Alright, we are almost at that last peg. Okay, now see, there is one empty peg, and when you get to your last peg, all you do is just take that loop, put it on that peg. I'll give you a close-up here. These do not connect, and they never connect